Are you tired of store-bought bread that lacks flavor and freshness? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Cuisinart Bread Maker. Let's kick things off with the Cuisinart Bread Maker. Priced at $119.99, this machine caught my attention for its sleek stainless steel design and 12 menu options. If you want a reliable bread maker that offers variety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Cuisinart features 12 menu programs, which means you can whip up everything from basic white loaves to pizza dough and even cakes. With 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds and 3 crust colors, light, medium, dark, you have the freedom to customize your baking experience. Plus, it has a compact footprint, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. This model has sold over 7,000 units in just the past month, so clearly it's a favorite among home bakers. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit bulky at 10.8 pounds. But here's the thing, that weight actually adds stability, so it won't hop around your counter while kneading. It's a trade-off that benefits your baking in the long run. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different types of bread and baked goods. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight and portable. At $119.99, you're getting a solid bread maker that delivers quality. Now, if the Cuisinart's weight concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Osipoto 2LB Bread Maker, retailing for $99.99. This machine stands out with its 17 customizable programs aimed at making bread making as effortless as possible. If you want a beginner-friendly option, this one's definitely worth considering. What's great about this bread maker is its large 2 lb capacity, which is fantastic for families or gatherings. It offers 3 loaf sizes and crust settings, so you can tailor everything to your liking. The powerful 600W motor ensures even heat distribution for a perfectly baked crust every time. Plus, the 15-hour delay timer means you can prep your ingredients the night before and wake up to the smell of fresh bread. Over 5,000 units have been sold recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users have mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, which might be frustrating for complete beginners. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. If you're willing to put in a bit of effort up front, you'll be rewarded with delicious homemade bread. This is perfect for you if you're new to baking and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced features or if you're looking for a bread maker that makes only one type of bread. At $99.99, it's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate a compact design. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Coming in at a budget-friendly $69.99, we have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. This one grabbed my attention for its foolproof operation and compact design. If you're looking for an affordable way to bake fresh bread at home, this could be your best bet. The Elite Gourmet features 19 one-touch programs, including gluten-free and jam, making it easy for anyone, regardless of baking skill, to enjoy fresh bread. It also bakes up to a 2-pound loaf, which is great for families. What's impressive is the 15-hour delay timer and a keep warm function that ensures you wake up to warm, fresh bread without hassle. This option has sold over 2,000 units recently, proving its worth in the market. That said, some users reported that the non-stick pan can be a bit tricky to clean if you don't use enough flour. But I'll be real with you, a few minutes of extra care is nothing compared to the satisfaction of biting into warm, homemade bread. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want something reliable. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features or extensive programming options. For $69.99, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Now, if you're ready to step up your baking game, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 4, Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus. Next on the list is the Zojirushi BB PDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, priced at $454.95. This one is a bit of an investment, but let me tell you, the quality is evident right from the start. If you're serious about your bread making, this is worth considering. What sets the zojirushi apart is its double kneading blades and dual heaters, which ensure your bread is evenly baked and perfectly browned. It has various healthy course settings, including gluten-free, whole wheat, and even vegan options. If you're in a hurry, the rapid settings can bake a loaf in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's a top choice among serious bakers. The downside? The high price tag is definitely something to consider, especially if you're just starting out. But here's the thing, if you're going to be baking bread regularly, this machine pays for itself in the quality of the bread it produces. This is perfect for you if you're passionate about bread making and want the best results. Skip this one if you're just looking to dabble in baking or if you're on a tight budget. For $454.95, it's a premium product that delivers on its promises. Now, if you want something that's just as effective but at a lower price point, check out the last product. Product number 5, Elite Gourmet Mint Programmable Bread Maker. We have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker in a stylish mint color, also priced at $69.99. This eye-catching design drew me in, but it's the features that kept my attention. If you want a fun yet functional bread maker, this one is worth a look. Just like its counterpart, this machine offers 19 one-touch programs for various types of bread, from gluten-free to sweet. It also bakes a 2-pound loaf and has a 15-hour delay timer, which means you can bake bread at your convenience. Plus, its compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among home bakers. However, some users mentioned that the mint color can clash with certain kitchen styles. While that's a fair point, I think it adds a fun pop of color to any kitchen and reminds you that baking should be enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you want something that's easy to use and looks great on your counter. Skip this one if you want a more traditional design. At $69.99, it's another fantastic value option. Now, as we wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered. So we've explored 5 fantastic bread makers today: the Cuisinart, Osapoto, Elite Gourmet, Zojirushi, and the Elite Gourmet Mint. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Zojirushi because it delivers superior results for serious bakers. Avoid the Cuisinart if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.